Onde que nós vamos agora, Anthony?
No barco.
Dar uma volta no barco aqui pra ver o que que tá... O pirata lá.
Ahoy there! Today we're setting sail, looking for our captain. Captain Redbeard and his treasure, which
E não tem pirata.
I heard the monkey tribe had something to do with that. So if you see any treasure, be sure to cut it out so we can fill up our tent.
Tem coisa aqui.
Sim. Aqui a gente tá no Legoland. É um... Olha o pato lá.
Ahoy, shipmates! My name's Captain Redbeard, and I'd like to thank you for joining me.
Barco que afundou?
Sim.
Shiver me! Surprise monkey attack! They've sunk Calico Jade's ship! Oh, and poor old scallywag is stuck in the crow's nest! Come on, crew. We need to help Calico Jade. Are you with me?
Wow.
Aye, aye, Captain.
Wow.
Monkeys a lesson. Load cannon. Load. Count down with me, crew. Ready. Aim. Fire. No. Missed.
Don't fire that cannon.
Load cannon.
Load cannon.
Ready! Aim! Fire! Oh. Missed again. Ahoy, Calico Jade! Sorry about your ship.
I'll find me another. Just like
Fake it, é.
Não é não, é de verdade?
Não. Ele é argueiro.
Anthony, você viu o macaco ali na árvore ali, ó?
Don't wake the gator.
É de verdade ou é de mentira esse macaco?
Remember to count the blue sapphires.
Mentira.
É de mentira?
Quietly.
Ele é alligator, é de mentira.
O alligator é de mentira também?
Se alligators crystals.
Ash! Topsy!
Olha os crystals
Gators
ali.
about.
Ó, alligators ali, ó. Ai, 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 Anthony. Eu falei pra você que tinha um jacaré ali, não falei?
Não é de verdade.
Não é de verdade?
Não.
Você tem certeza?
Olha o crystals, mamãe.
Como é que o pirata faz?
Ahá! Captain.
sleepy time.
Well,
E os
spotted
passarinhos ali, é de
Topsy.
verdade ou de
Now
mentira?
listen up, crew.
Mentira.
We're heading to beautiful birds. But beware,
Olha o pink
legend has it
crystals.
that the bird song of these beautiful birds can make you fall into a beautiful... Now, you need to find and count my pretty pink
Olha o
diamond.
Flamengo jogando
See if you
água.
can find all 12. Good luck!
3,
Boat Captain, show us your skeleton
diamonds.
face. Ha-ha! Skeleton
Over
face.
the birds.
Now get ready to find and count my
Olha,
red ruby.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11,
Pirates. Let's tell them.
Not telling jokes.
Here's one. Did you hear about the pirate boxer? He had a great left hook. Used to keep the spiders
Anthony, olha por onde que a gente vai passar.
Don't you dare.
Oh,
It makes them angry. Does it?
As aranhas
Don't
pegaram
do it.
o capitão.
Good luck,
Ixi,
matey.
e tá cheio de aranha aqui, aí, cara.
Mikey Crawley.
Vai cair na sua cabeça.
Lucky gems. 30 gold coins.
Vai cair não.
Well done, crew, if you found all those. Now listen. Shiver me timbers! You found the monkey tribe's hideaway!
Oh no!
Well done, crew!
Get his eye.
Now, where's that first goal? There's Calico Jade again!
que
showing that
aconteceu,
cheeky
Anthony?
monkey a bit of
Ele tá
fancy
preso.
sword play.
Ele tá
Come on,
preso.
crew! Here! Hooray! Let's give those monkeys a fright! Load cannon! Load cannon! Ready! Aim! Fire! Onward! I wonder how many pieces of treasure there was.
200 gold coins and lots of treasure.
Encontrou o tesouro, olha lá o tesouro na árvore.
We need that
We
gold
see the
too.
count. You see the count there? Ito ganun na.
Huh? Sea monster.
We're getting past the crack. Maybe they were keeping the golden brick away from the monkey tribe. I guess
Which way
we'll
que
never
gente
know.
precisa ir?
Onwards,
Não sei qual lado
we
que tem que ir.
sail.
Qual lado que a gente vai ter que ir, Anthony? Pra lá?
Right, crew. To lift the curse and get me back
Gente,
home,
tá
we
perdido,
need
cara.
to find one
E
more
agora?
golden brick.
Gente,
Someone
vocês
climb to the
voltar.
top of the crow's nest and keep a lookout. Oh,
Isso.
never
Eu acho que a
mind.
gente tá perdido.
Now, if you see it, shout out, ahoy, golden brick. Let's give it a tune.
This way,
Three,
this way.
ahoy, golden brick.
Are you sure we're going this way?
Ahoy, Redbeard! Golden brick!
Ha ha ha! You did it! You found the last golden brick. Oh, well done, crew. The curse is sure to be lifted.